Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone and content. Open your device settings and confirm updates for Android or iOS, then launch Notebooklm, sign in with the Google account you'll use. Once signed in, grant storage and microphone permissions so uploads and voice prompts work smoothly. Import the first file, tap the plus button, choose PDF, image, or Google Doc, and watch the quick preview. This gets your workspace ready. Make sure files are named clearly, so the model finds context immediately. Once your workspace has files, focus on organizing them for better responses. Tap Import again to add camera captures, local files, or Google Drive items. Select multiple files to batch upload. After import, create short titles and tags for each document. This helps Notebooklm prioritize context when you ask questions. If a PDF is large, split it into chapters or 10 to 20 MB chunks. This keeps retrieval fast and accurate. Finally, run a quick search to verify each file's text. Now you query and refine. Ask clear, focused questions. Include page numbers, headings, or exact phrases to get precise answers. Once you get a response, use follow-up prompts to narrow scope and highlight text in the document to reinforce context. Export or copy helpful summaries for study or sharing. If things go wrong, pause. Recheck app permissions and internet, re-import the problematic file, or reduce its size and retry. This troubleshooting tip fixes most sync or parsing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.